Hello my dear students, you are welcome in the online platform of TAPS and this is Govind Jha. You must be getting one topic I have just written on the board, you must be watching it. The name of the topic is Basic Geometrical Ideas. It is from chapter number 4 NCERT and obviously it is for class 6 mathematics. So in this chapter, I mean to say in this basic geometrical ideas, these are the topics which I will discuss in this video, and the topics as you must be getting this these are written here. So first topic which I will discuss, that is curves, thereafter simple curves, thereafter the third term which is open curve, thereafter closed curve, thereafter the one term is their position in a figure, and then the last but not least the term is polygons. So that will be discussed, and their type will be also discussed. A brief introduction I will just put on that topic, polygons. So let me tell you about the first, what is curve. Till now whatever we discussed, that was a straight line. Whether we discuss a line segment what it was, the shortest distance between two fixed point. So it is a straight, and line is a straight path. So you must have read out the ray, you must have read out line segments. Thereafter several things were parallel lines, intersecting lines. These all are what? These all are related to straight lines. These all are straight. But what we are going to read now, that is not a straight. That is what? Curves. So basic definition to make you understand what is curve, I must tell you the line which is not straight is called curve. Understood? The line which is not straight, that is called curve. You can understand while sitting, and when you sit you are free and you are doing nothing, then you must have felt that in your hand, if pen is there, you doodle in your copy. So the result of doodling means what? You like that, you do like that in your copy. So this is called what? Curves line. And if you draw this is called what? A straight line. This is called what? A straight line. This is what? A straight line. But this is what? Doodling of lines is called what? Curve lines. So basic definitions, two definitions I told just right now I said about this curves. The first definition is what? The line which is not straight is called curve. This is, and one thing, one more definition can be written here. The result of doodling is called what? Curve line. So this is called curve line. So now you must have understood what is curve. Now after that, simple curve means, in picture, in diagram, you must be thinking in just daily life use. Several things are there which we use. Suppose this is what? Duster. Suppose this is what? This is, I have just kept a book. This is a book, class 6 book. This is also class 6 book. Several things are there. And if you talk about the shape and size of the book, it is related to geometry. If you talk about the structure of this what? Eraser, then what is that? The structure is having something geometrical shape, it is having. If you talk about this chalk, this is also having a geometrical shape. So there are several diagrams, rectangles you have seen that, cartoon you have seen that, box you have seen that, many things are there. They are having their geometrical shape. So in this simple curve, what? The curve picture or the curve figure or the curve image or the curve diagram which is simple, that is called simple curve. Suppose what is simple curve? You see, this is what? This is simple curve. Why this is called simple curve? One more definition you can just put for simple curve. The picture which or the image which does not cross each other. Means you must be getting that. Suppose one picture I will make like that. This is what? This is, you see, this is not a simple curve. Why this is not a simple curve? Because it does cross each other. So if picture cross each other, means looking like it's a complicated compared to this. This is a simple figure. This is looking like a what? Mama chapati or bangle you can say. This is a simple picture. So that is why it is called simple curve, and this is not made by the straight line. So it is called curve, simple curve. And you can see this is curve picture. You can see because the line is not straight here. This is curve. So this is called curve figure. But this is what? Not called simple curve figure. Because if line does not cross, that is called simple. If line does not cross, does not cross, then it is what? It is simple closed. It is simple closed. And when line does cross each other, the does cross each other is called what? Is called, you can say it's not a simple closed curve, not a simple closed curve figure. So now simple curve figure and simple which is not a simple curve figure, you have understood that. So this was simple curve figure, and thereafter that one more topic it is there, that is open curve. Now open means what? Suppose I am talking about the open room. Open room means what? Gate is open, walls are there, everything is there, but the gate is open. Open room means what? If you talk about the open box, means what? Box is open, means any diagram, any picture which is open, which is not totally closed, packed, is called open. So any curve which is open, suppose this I will make like that. Now you see, this is what? This is not totally closed, this is open here. So this is called what? Open curve. This is called here what? Here open curve. So suppose anywhere I will make a diagram like that. You see, this is what? This is open curve. This I will make like that, this I will make like that, this I will make like that. You see, this is what? This is called what? Open curve. So if the picture is curve as well as open, that is called open curve. And next term is that what? That is closed curve. So the same picture, if it is closed, then it is called closed curve. So how? This is also called closed curve. You can see this is called closed curve. This is called what? Closed curve figure. Closed curve, you can see this is closed curve. You can see one more diagram I can make. This is, you can see this is what? This is closed. This is closed curve. This is what? This is closed curve. So you can see the picture which is closed, means the curve picture which is closed, that is called curve, closed curve figure or curve closed figure, you can see. Thereafter, position in a figure. You see, this is very important. If you want to have a screenshot, you can have it, otherwise I will erase this. Okay, so now I am just going to erase this. Now you see, what is position in a figure? You see, any picture is there, any picture you draw, and there you talk about the area. Suppose I will draw one picture like that. Now you see, this is what? This is a diagram, this is a picture, and everybody can see this is what? Closed curve figure. This is curve because not a straight line, and it is what? Closed also, not open. So this is called simple closed curve figure. Simple closed curve figure. And why it is called simple closed? Why it is called closed? Because you can see it is closed one, so that is called closed, there is no problem. But why it is simple? Because you can see the line is not being intersected or does not cross each other. You can see, so it is, and it is not made by the straight line, so it is called curve. So that is why the name is for this figure simple closed curve figure. Now we are talking about the position. You suppose in this some points are there. Suppose this is point P, this is point R here, this is point Q here, one more point it is there here D, one more point it is there, that is A, and one more point here it is C, and one more point I will write here, that is M. Now you see some points I have just marked here, I have just pointed out here, and now you have to tell me what is the position of that point respect to that picture, respect to this picture. So you see, the points which all are inside the picture, means inside the image, is called what? Interior. Or interior can be said as a what? Interior can be said as a what? Inside it, you can write it what? Inside you can say, or interior you can say. So this is called interior or inside. Interior or inside. Inside can be said as a. So all those points who will be in this region, it will be called as a what? Interior or inside region. So who are the interior points here? If a question will be asked to write the interior points for this picture, then we'll write P, the another is Q, and the next is R. So P, Q, R, these are the 3 points which lie inside this picture, means interior of this picture. Now you will be asked exterior or outside, exterior or outside. So those points name will be written who are outside or exterior. So who are there? You can see You see, one point I have placed here. This is outside the picture. This is not inside the picture. You can see outside the picture, this point it is there. So it is called outside. So this D point is in outside, you can see. One more point I placed it. You can see this A you can see out of the picture it is there. So this D and this A, these are the 2 points which is said to be, or which is called here exterior points for this picture. It is not always fixed. This is for this picture only. And now the third point which will be asked, that will be asked on the picture, on the figure or on the line, or anything will be said on the figure you write. So on the figure you see who are the points which is lying on the picture or on the diagram. You see there is a point C which lie on the picture, and there is a one more point which lie on the picture, you can see. So these are the 2 points. C, you can see this is on this curve, you can see. So I have written on the figure C, and the another is M. So these will be asked to you, who are the points who lies interior of the picture, exterior of the picture, and on the picture. So these are very important. You must pay attention in this. So this happened now. Position in a figure. Any diagram will be there. Suppose this is a diagram, and you will be asked who are the interior points. Suppose this is a point A and this is point B. So this A and B, it is called what? A and B, it is called what? Interior. Sir, P and Q is called what here? P is and Q both are outside the triangle, you can see here. So exterior point will be P and Q here. And if on the triangle you will be asked, then suppose this is M and this is N. So on the triangle if you are asked, then this is M and N, you can see on the triangle. And one very important thing, it is important here, I must tell you, there is a term region. So what is region? The interior of the curved figure, or interior of the any picture. Interior of the curved figure together with its boundary is called region. Means the interior of the picture. So this is what? This is the interior region. Interior region of room means what? The space which is inside the room, that is interior. Interior of this room is what? The space which is inside this room where I am standing, this is interior. Or an exterior of this room is what? Outside that window, outside this gate, back of this blackboard, that is outside part. And on the wall, this will be on the wall, this will be on the wall. So any pictures, and there the enclosed region or enclosed area or enclosed space by the picture is called their region. So we can say here the region, the space together with its boundary, because still boundary we can only, the space is there. This boundary means what? Boundary, it is called what? You must have seen that the boundary rope in the cricket stadium. If ball crossed the boundary rope, means it is what? 4 or 6. So crossing means what? So crossing means ball is crossing the area where the area is restricted. That is the last point. If ball crossed that point, it will be 4 or 6. So in the same manner, this is the last point. Boundary of means this is the last point of this last side of this last portion of this picture. We cannot just increase this picture outside this. So this is the region. This is called region. So region means what? The enclosed space or the space closed by a diagram or a picture with this boundary is called what? It's region. So this is called interior region, you can say, or region you can say. So this is called region. And thereafter the last point it is there, you must be getting, that is polygons. So I will erase. If you want to have a screenshot, you can take it. Okay, so now the last but not least, and the name of the point, the term which I will discuss, that is polygon. So now what is polygon? My question is, what is polygon? I must tell you about the polygon. It is a simple closed geometrical figure which is bounded by or which is made by 3 or more line segments. Means a simple definition I will write for polygon. A simple definition. Polygon means what? A simple closed figure. A simple closed figure. A simple closed figure bounded by 3 or more line segments. 3 or more line segments. So you see what it is there. Means any geometrical figure, any geometrical closed figure, I must tell you, there is no use of open figure in geometry. No means anywhere, means wherever you talk, always closed figure will be there. Never the use of open figure is in the geometry. We will never use open figure. So you just make it clear in your mind for yourself. You make it clear. Always wherever we will be talking, whenever we will be talking, always will have what? Closed figure, not a open figure. So polygon is a simple closed figure bonded by three or line segments, three or more line segments. Means any picture which is made by three line segment and more than three line segment is called polygon. So can you tell me the first polygon which you know? Yes, obviously triangle will be the first types of the polygon. This is the types of polygon types. So the first one of the type is triangle. Why triangle is called polygon? Because you know triangle is made by three line segment. One, this is two, and this is third one. And this picture is closed picture. You can see from nowhere it is open. So this is closed one, and it is made by three line segments. So that is why it is called polygon. So triangle is one kind of polygon. So triangle is a types of polygon. If you talk about the second polygon, then what it will be? It will be quadrilateral, obviously, because the picture simple closed figure bonded by four line segments is called quadrilateral. So second polygon, second type of polygon is quadrilateral. So by the three sides which diagram is made? Triangle. And triangle is the first polygon. Triangle is the first polygon. Thereafter quadrilateral. This is called second type of polygon, quadrilateral, because it is made by the four line segments. So any picture, any diagram, any image which is made by three or more line segments is called polygon. So triangle is made by three line segments, so it is one of the polygon. Quadrilateral is made by four line segments, so it is called one of the polygon. Sir, only these are two polygons, types of polygons? No, there are many polygons type. Three sides, that is called triangle. The polygon with three sides is called triangle. You have seen that only, triangle.